Hi, wanted to show you something very interesting about my audience across different platforms. Now, this is YouTube. Here's a look at my recent videos on YouTube. You can see, right, 13, well, let's not worry about the latest one, but, you know, 20,000 views for the dumpster, 26,000 for the unusual fault, B-Link Mini, solar freaking roadways, 41,000 views, okay? 28,000 views for inventor of the MOSFET, copper, just a blab video. Yeah, I usually don't get many views on those, right? 16,000 for the top 5 26,000 for top 5 jelly bean MOSFETs, did okay. Power rail probing didn't do very good. I'm surprised. That was, you know, a reasonably technical kind of thing. High voltage multimeter, 27,000 views, and then like Panasonic battery, 37,000, and then, you know, we get the big views when I review cheap meters and stuff. I should do more of these because, you know, 86,000 views there, right? But here's the interesting thing, okay? Tutorials. Everyone complains about, Dave, do more tutorials. Okay, I did 3 in a row. Not quite finishing my AC Basics tutorial series. And look, the first one I released got 14,000 views. The next one got 9,500 views. The next one did 10,000 views. These are basically my worst performing videos almost of all time. Like, you know, regular content style videos, like technical ones, probably the worst performing I've ever done. Of course, us e-YouTubers, electronic YouTubers, have been seeing a pretty steady decline in our views. It's not just my channel, it's basically everyone, because there's more channels out there. Everyone's attention span has been drawn away by shorts and other content, and there's just so many hours in the day, and, you know, that just seems the natural evolution of YouTube. But interesting to note that the tutorials, okay, are some of my worst performing videos of all time. And then I've got the repair one here, right? 29,000 views. I did another repair one here, 37,000 views, right? But let's go over to Facebook. Yes, I do actually upload natively my videos to Facebook because it's a manual process. I often forget. I'm pretty lazy, so I often don't upload every video there. But, you know, I try to, okay? And I've just got monetized on Facebook. I didn't have the views before, but I just got monetized. I'm going to earn the big bucks now on Facebook. But anyway, look at this, right? My audience seems to be very different on the Facebooks. Views, okay, so 906 here, that's just the latest one, okay. Dumpster diving, 4,400, right, because it's less followers on there. I've got, what, 30,000 followers or something, right? Less followers on Facebook, so you'd expect a proportionate amount of less views. Jelly bean MOSFETs, 2,800. Okay, that was the high voltage multimeter thing tested, 6,500, and then look at the tutorials. They're exactly the same videos. 13,500 views, 18,200 views, and the one down, oh sorry, you can't see it because my head's in the way, 14,700 views for the tutorial videos. And then that Casio one, right, the Casio one that got way more views, that Casio repair, it only got 4,300. What is it with Facebook and tutorial videos? They've absolutely, like, very consistent. All 3 of them are bangers compared to double digits, compared to all the others, which are single digits. If that. Like, what's going on? This is very interesting. My audience on Facebook seem to be dramatically different to my audience on YouTube. I don't know. If you can explain that, leave it in the comments down below. I'm going to upload this to Facebook, so Facebook people, YouTube people, everyone comment down below. But yeah, sorry, I don't read the comments on Facebook. I don't use Facebook. I push my content there, but I will read it for this video. But I normally don't engage in content there. I've only got a limited amount of time to engage in content. So I don't spend time on Facebook, but I do put my content there as I do for other platforms. So if you want to watch on those platforms, Odyssey is still big, for example. Great platform, the best YouTube alternative out there, Odyssey. And yeah, but I can only spend my time reading comments inside. I don't even read all the comments on YouTube. I try to. On the new uploads, generally I'll read the comments, but I'm not going in there reading comments from videos 5 years ago and stuff like that. I don't often do that. Now, another thing. Look at this. AC Basics, monetization paused. Your ability to earn on this content is paused. Monetization is active. Okay, monetization is paused. Content monetization, view all issues. I have not clicked this yet. Okay, so let's go here. Monetization, your ability to earn on this content is paused. Your Reels earnings are being claimed. Now, I don't generate Reels. They're those little vertical short things. I don't, but I think it might automatically generate them when I post them to Facebook. Anyway, your Reels earnings are being claimed. Earnings from this Reel are being claimed by someone else because it might contain other rights holders' content. What? It's a whiteboard tutorial video. This is like AC Basics tutorial video. It's literally me, talking head, on a whiteboard. So I have not clicked on this. Let's see what the next steps are. Your post includes information that was checked by independent, fact checkers. What? I got fact checked. What? But that wouldn't have anything to do with the monetization. Bullying Prevention Hub, safety check. There's nothing in here. What? That would not have anything to do with. This post includes information independent fact checkers said was false. Partly false information in the post. Independent fact checkers, blah, blah, added people who repeatedly have their posts removed in the feed, others less likely to see them. Who hasn't declared... We have a fake AI bot detection here. Fact checking. The WHO hasn't declared the Marburg virus the next pandemic. What has that got to do with a whiteboard tutorial on whatever it was? Was that the impedance one or whatever? Like AC circuit theory. What you can do, disagree with the decision. Yes. It just did it. You disagree with the decision. We'll receive your feedback. Use it to improve our efforts to stop this. What? You disagreed with it. Okay. I guess that's welcome to Facebook's dispute system. What the heck? What? Anyway, that should have nothing to do with the monetization. So what the heck's going on? By the way, not earning anything on Facebook yet. I just turned it on literally like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, I don't know. If anyone earns anything on Facebook, please let me know what your typical CPMs are. I've got no idea, but I don't expect to earn it. I expect to earn not even burger money. Anyway, that is fascinating, is it not? Have I just got a bigger tutorial hungry audience on Facebook? I'm actually going to test this. I'm going to upload my original op-amp video and a bunch of other ones natively because I wasn't updating to Facebook way back then. So I might do a whole bunch of tutorial videos on there, upload native videos, uploads, and see what happens. They seem to love it. I mean, like some of my recent YouTube videos are not getting some of these views, as you saw. So, like, I don't know. Actually, yeah, is that one? The AC base is 1729, 18,000 views. 1729, 9,500 views. I've got half the number of views on YouTube than I got on Facebook for a tutorial video. What alternate reality have we entered? If you've got any clue whatsoever about what's going on here, please leave it in the comments, either YouTube or Facebook comments. Catch you next time.